Hello, Internet. Welcome to PhiloMag. Well, today we'll be discussing the inner workings of stem cells. One Universe News, PhiloMag's minivids. Stem cells, our savior, the dawning star, our armor knight. But how will they help us in the future? Stem cells are a sort of superpower for generation and regeneration. What stem cells are the cells that all of our bodies were started with. Then they differentiated into all of our body cells over time. So how can stem cells help us all? For the majority of human history, humans never really lived too long. Although low levels of infant mortality lower life expectancy, many could still live up to the 20s or 30s in prehistoric times. Over the last couple of thousand years, however, human civilization raised lifespan. For example, Romans who lived to the age of 5 could at least expect to live to the age of 42. Better medical practices and hygiene later on only help us all in the long run. However, we've hit a stagnant point in development. Although we do not need to place advanced medical or technology to other nations, what now will come after that? Stem cells. Stem cells may be the secret to preventing diseases and extending lifespan. In the 1990s, researchers could harvest and create new stem cells for developing. When this happened, scientists went as far as thinking the stem cells will fix damaged bones and organs and even manufacture new body parts for people. They could make new hearts, rib cages, and even damaged brains getting healed. Although stem cells may have been seen as the idolized version of themselves, which led to the stem cell controversy today, both ethical and biological. The FDA won't approve any treatments, and countries like Germany are the same. China prevents reproductive cloning, and, and Italy prevents all gamete donations. Albeit all these follow a single point. At what point does human life begin? Questions like should we destroy an embryo's life to save hundreds appear. Some of these point to religion, such as how US President Bush banned all federal funding for any cell lines with the statement, human life is God's gift. Barack Obama partially removed this ban, but really, the debate still centers on ethics. Some scientists, however, are looking for a solution to this lock. In 2006, scientists Yamanaka and Gordon gave adult stem cells host the ability to differentiate into almost all possible cell types. Harvard researchers generated a new stem cell line merely by taking adult cells and the nuclei and putting the nuclei into embryonic stem cells. Meanwhile, advanced cell technology researchers devise stem cell lines without destroying any embryos. Overall, the great journey for stem cells could still be questioned due to ethics, and it's also questionable if they even as well as they're held up to be. However, in the end, the ethical debate may very well decide the future of this technology. Thank you viewers for watching this video. Check me out on Google Plus and on my website. Links in the description. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and wait for new videos weekly. See you all next time.